Leiba, khutta paiba, eigi oiba. I have a car. Eigi car ama lei, natra. Do you have the key? So do nangon the leibra na khutta pairibra habagumani. I have a brother. Karigumba ama yaongadaba leiba. Tounangai leiba. I have a lot of work to do. I have spoken class right now. I thabak tounangai mayam lei haineba. I have a lot of work to do. I have spoken class right now. Howzik a spoken class lei hainiko. Thengnakhraba, thengnaba, thengnagadaba, akhangpa pot habdar. I had a nose job yesterday. Nose job I did nose surgery gumado natongi. I am having a good time. Good time I did enjoyable time ko. Yamna nungai ba matam harau nungai. Cheina Phangba. I have a strong fever now. Fever I did lai hauni dinako. I had a bad cold last month. Cold I did lok thongba khotpa mayam do. Aduniko. Auxiliary verb past participle louba perfectta sijinnaba. I have already done my homework. Already hadi taukrabdo. Already done hadi homework to taukre. Touba loikre taukre. I had plucked a flower. Pluck hadi hek paduniko. Sida idi happy se head ki matungda. Third form ni sinarisi. I'll have done my homework by the time you reach here. Nangna yorokpa matamdadi ay homework tu tawkiramani habani. Interrogative verb oina pronoungi mamangda. Question tag oina sijinnaba. They haven't done their homeworks yet, have they? Have they is question when hanginiko. Tawkrabrane kaibado. Dumay hangineba. Auxiliary verb to infinitive. I have to go. Angang macha pokpa. Another angang pokpa. I'm having the baby right now. The baby diaries hana moina discuss tawro poniko. I want to have a child. Sexual intercourse touba. I am having sex now. Don't brag about how many women you have had. Punabangamba. I could have him. Aina madi ngamgani kaibado. Guest oina lausanba. Thank you for having me. Guest oirba miduna thagat papungdok pe waniko.